Hello friends, I am Shruti Parashar. Welcome to my channel Biology 360. Today I am going to discuss the topic epiphytic and sucking roots. The topic is important for students studying in ICSE, CBSE, IGCSE and HSC board, and for students preparing for NEET, AIIMS and Olympiad exams. So friends, what exactly are the roots? Roots are the main organs of the plant which helps in water and mineral absorption. There are many different types of roots that we see in the plant. Among these, the important types of roots are the epiphytic and the sucking roots. So first I will discuss what are epiphytic roots. Orchids growing on the branches of huge trees in dense rainforest are unable to obtain soil moisture. So orchids are the plants that grow on the branches of huge trees. Now, when they grow on the branches of huge trees, they are unable to obtain the soil moisture. Hence, they produce specialized roots that hang in the air. The roots are provided with a spongy, membranous, absorbent covering of the velamen tissue. Velamen tissue is hygroscopic and have porous walls. Here, the word hygroscopic means it can absorb water, it can absorb moisture. Now, the orchids that grow on the branches of huge trees, they produce specialized hanging roots which are called epiphytic roots. And these epiphytic roots are provided with special type of tissue called velamen tissue. These velamen tissue is highly hygroscopic, so it absorbs moisture from the air. The roots may be silvery white or green but without root cap. Example, Vanda and Dendrobium. So in this slide, we see an epiphyte that grows on the host tree. It has presence of epiphytic or hanging roots. So these epiphytic roots, they have velamen tissue that absorbs moisture from the surrounding. Now we will discuss the next type of roots called as sucking roots or haustoria. These are microscopic. So the microscopic sucking roots developed by parasitic plants to absorb nourishment from the host. Now, as we know, a parasite is an organism, or here in this example, it's a plant that grows on another plant. So these sucking roots or haustoria, they are microscopic roots that helps to derive the nourishment from the host plant. Viscum album is a partial parasite. So Viscum album is a name of a plant. It develops haustoria which penetrate into xylem of host plant for absorption of water and nutrients. As we all know, xylem and phloem are the vascular tissues that are found in the plants. So xylem, it helps in the water transport, and phloem tissue, it helps in the transport of food molecules. In Cuscuta reflexa, haustoria penetrates vascular strand and suck food from phloem, water and minerals from xylem. Cuscuta is a leafless plant with yellow stem. It is a total parasite. Total parasite means it is completely dependent upon the host for its nourishment. In this slide, we see the haustoria roots. These haustoria roots, they penetrate inside the xylem and phloem tissue of the host plant to derive nourishment. Friends, Do subscribe to my channel Biology 360 and don't forget to click on the bell icon to receive the notifications on the biology videos. Also, please send me your comments and suggestions regarding the video as well. Thank you.